So I have chosen a farm activity of matching. I have the top row of animals. I have chosen a horse, a dog, a pig and a duck. And obviously where they would live, their habitats or where they'd live. And it might be that you just want to match up like this and then take cards to each animal that they belong in. Stable with the horse, kennel for the dog, the duck in the pond. Maybe that you want to do it the other way round. And take the dog to the kennel, the pig to the pig pen. Or it may be that you want to choose 2 animals at a time. So I'm going to choose duck and pig. And then ask who belongs to the pond. And then you can choose your animal. Or it may be that you want to ask, where does a duck live? And then you choose from your 2 pond. Maybe you want to start off with just 2 like this and add in 3. Or go to the 4, how I started.